Okay, welcome back guys to this lecture on order by clause. And you may notice PostgreSQL sometimes returns the same request query result. And you can also use order by to sort rows based on a column value in either ascending or descending order. Okay, and here's the basic syntax of order by. We go from select list, and then from table name, and the last is order by short expression, ASC or the DSC. Okay. Notice order by towards the end of a query since we want to do any selection and filtering first before finally sorting. We will say select column 1, columns _1, and column _2 from table, ordered by column 1 AC or DSC. So that means order by is going to be towards bottom of a query. And one of the very last thing is that SQL can actually performs. Use ASC means ascending to sort in ascending order, UDSC to sort in descending order. And if you leave it blank, the order by use ASC by default. And what's also interesting is that you can also order by multiple columns. This makes sense when on column has duplicate entry, and you see at this table, you can see at this table. So it makes sense when one column has duplicate entries. We have 3 columns here, company, name, and sales for that individual at that company. And you see, notice here is that we have duplicate entries under company, Apple and Google, right? So we could select 3 columns here, and then we order by the company, and then order by sales. So what it does actually mean, it means that we sort everything first based of the company column. So we have Apple coming in first in alphabetical order, then Google, and then sales. Then corresponding names also get lined up. So that means if you have duplicate values in a particular column and you want to sort not just by that particular column, but another column as well, as it makes sense to do an order by with multiple columns, then it's going to sort based of the column you provide. Okay. And for making it more clearly, I will jump over to pgadmin for doing another cases. Okay. Query 2. And here I am at query. And what I'm going to do first is I will explore the customer table, expand it. Okay. Let's just say everything from it. I will select everything is asterisk from customer. Okay. Here, and from this we can have a quick look at these results. Okay. Right. You can see here the store ID is number 121, and the customer ID 524, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Right? So notice we have this customer ID, and more or less it seems to be in order, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, except for this first one, 5 to 4, right? And we have first name, George, Mary, Patricia, and the last name. Let's just see. We can order everything based on the first name of user here, so that we could be in alphabetical order based on the first name, right? Delete the semicolon, and we say order by the column. I choose first name, first underscore name, and you can see here. And if I don't leave anything here and just run, I don't add any like DSC or AC, and I don't leave anything here and just run it. You see here, first name Aaron, Adam, Adrian, Agnes, Ellen here, and it will automatically audit. You can see here, and this the same if I have clarified ascending ASC. Here you can see the result is the same, right? So we do the same with descending order. Descending order, DESC. You see, starting at Z, and then going down to the way to A, right? Yeah. And we have noticed here is that we have different store ID, right? Here, 1 and 2, 1, 2. This seems not in the order, right? So we have multiple entries for store ID. This just 1 or 2, right? Which basically means you can see here. This I will take example in this particular customer. You can see here height, last name, first name Sachori, and last name is height. And this particular customer goes to their store ID number 1, and next Watkins goes to the store ID number 2. Weaver goes to the store ID number 2. All right, and etc. And so what we could do is the first order by store ID to get all results per store, and then organize it by the first name. All right. Okay, so I don't select all. I will select the here store ID and first name and last name. Store ID. And first name. First name. This one is last name, right? From customer table, and we will order by store ID first. Store ID. All right, I will run this. Oh, I select DSA. I run this for you. Here, you can see here. Take a look at this. The store ID is now sorted starting from 1. You can see from 1, and then if I eventually scroll down, you will see here is 2. You can see store ID number 2. Okay. However, if you check their first name or last name, these the actual entries themselves are in no order within store ID, right? Both of these columns are in no order. So I could say store ID makes sense then order by the first name and last name, right? Okay, now store ID first name, first name, first underscore name in last name here. Okay, now you see, now you can see everything starting in alphabetical order, and if you want, you can always add in ascending or descending to each particular here. So I could say I will order store ID on DSC, DESC in first name. I will whereas ordering based the first name on ASC, right? And it's good. Here you can see the store ID is starting from 2 and on DSC starting from 2, number 2, and the first name ANC starting on alphabetical order, right? Okay, and that's all. That's all. I think that's all the order by clause. And anyway, thanks for watching this video.